another video. And quick shout out to my friend, Fuzzy Jellyfeet 29109. I've done quite a few shout outs. So, and this dude, I guess. So, let's get on with the video. I also could have sworn there was another person here. Hello? Nope. Nope. Okay, let's get on. So I'm having a party, and it's a party in my den. It's going to be the restaurant den. If you need more information, look on my Google Plus page. There should be more information there. Right now, what's most important is to get over all the states' time zones before the end of the video. So, starting with the Eastern time zone. If you live in Connecticut, Delaware, the District of Columbia, which is Washington, D.C., Florida, the southern eastern parts. So, look around here. Pause the video, look around here. If you live in Florida, see if one of these is your, wherever you live, counties, I guess. Moving on, Georgia, Indiana, all except these northwest counties over Chicago. Lake, Porter, LaPorte, Newton, Jasper, Stark, and the 7 western counties in Indiana near Evansville, Gibson, Posey, Vanderburgh, Warwick, and Perry. And then there's Kentucky, the eastern parts. So if you live in any of these parts, then you right here for Kentucky, then you actually are in the Eastern time zone. Then there's Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan. Most of these except the western counties, Dixon, Gogebic, Iron, and Menominee, which are by the central time zone. Then there's New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, North Carolina, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, South Carolina, Tennessee, the eastern counties. Pause the video if you live in Tennessee to see if you live in any of these counties. If you do, then you are a part of the eastern time zone. Then there is Vermont, Virginia, and West Virginia. So those are all the eastern time zone states. If that is right, let me just check real quick. It starts at 6:30 for you. Oh, that video finally is uploaded. But anyway, I'll get with that later. If you live in the states I just listed, then that is a lot of time zones. I can't do all of them, so I'm going to do the main ones. But anyway, if you live in those states, then you are part of the Eastern time zone, and the party starts at 6:30 for you. Then there's other time zones. I'm just gonna go on with the Alaska Standard Time. Holy. Okay, you know what? Forget it. All the states for the central time zone. So if you're here in your state, then the party starts at 5:30 for you. So you're even luckier. So listen for your state. Alabama, Arkansas, Florida, the northwest parts. So read here to see if you are a part of that. Illinois, Indiana, a few of these northwestern counties near Chicago. Look for that. Iowa, Kansas, all except these western counties, Greeley, Hamilton, Sherman, and Wallace. And then there's Kentucky, the western part. Pause the video if you live in Kentucky and look to see if you live in any of these counties. Then there is Louisiana, Michigan, a few of these western counties, Dixon, Geobic, Iron, and Menominee, whatever it's called. There's Minnesota, Mississippi, Missouri, Nebraska, the eastern parts, all except this. So if you live around here, then if you see this, then if your county is named here, then that means that you are not going to be for Central. That's even going to be before like 4:30 or something. I don't know yet. Then there's North Dakota. Pause the video. Look if you live in the counties of these. If you do, then that means you are in the Central Time Zone. There's Oklahoma, South Dakota, Tennessee. Oh yeah, for these, look. So if they have a long part to them, look to see if your your county is there. Then Texas, all except a few counties in the west. El Paso, Hudspeth, and part of Culberson. Then there's Wisconsin. So then I think you move on to Mountain Time Zone. All the states in the Mountain Time Zone. I'm probably spelling everything wrong. Oh no. The fallen states, that means you are a part of the Mountain Time Zone. Arizona, Colorado, Idaho, Kansas, China, Montana, Nebraska, Nevada, New Mexico, North Dakota, Oregon, South Dakota, Texas, Utah, and Wyoming. So, if you, as you can see, there's a bunch of things for this. If your state did have one of these, like, an extension to it, which all of them do except for New Mexico, Utah, Wyoming. Wait, New Mexico should have one, but Utah, Wyoming, Colorado, then you are fine. The rest of these, if you live in that part, you need to take a look at it. So, moving on to the Pacific. States in the Pacific Time Zone. The following is California, Washington, Oregon, Nevada, and Idaho. All of Arizona lies in the and most of it, well, okay, forget what I just said. So, the Pacific Time Zone, if you hear your name, then it's California, Washington, Oregon, Nevada, and Idaho. So, let's get on with the times, shall we? I guess we shall. So, let's get on with the times. See you in like a few seconds. Let me just pause the video to get there so we don't waste any time.